Bitcoin money explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which generally is genuinely huge in an essentially significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $242.21, or so they basically thought in every practical sense, significant way. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, exhibiting how Bitcoin money for the most part really has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $236,885,149, pretty especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. 22 October 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, by and large 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly especially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what most certainly in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money in every practical sense. Is BCH a kind of wise venture, which outrageously is genuinely critical, which especially is genuinely huge? Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth. Yet, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the BCH specialized examination, sort of essentially allowed us most certainly to discuss the especially current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge incredibly. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,134,997,981,662, which by and large is genuinely huge. The actual sort of complete exchanging volume really remains at $40,453,921,837 in a significant manner in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, which generally especially is very huge in a sort of significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense generally shows that the very all-out exchanging volume most certainly in every practical sense remains at $40,453,921,837, which basically is very critical in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span, which generally in every way that really matters is very huge, which is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, is up by 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which in a real sense sort of is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, genuinely further appearance how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, which for the most part essentially is very critical, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in a kind of essentially descending course for commonly genuinely present moment, fundamentally in every practical sense. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that Bitcoin money truly has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part basically are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Support explicitly truly is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of genuinely more certainly dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely sort of additional appearance, how the all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $40,453,921,837, which basically is genuinely huge in an extremely significant manner. Similarly, obstruction certainly fundamentally is a level at which vendors explicitly in every practical sense move pretty dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, most certainly in every practical sense is up by 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The in every practical sense, essentially current Bitcoin money cost all things considered is $242.21 with an exchanging volume of $236,885,149 in the very beyond 24 hours. Which most certainly sort of shows that Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum entirely has a predominance of 16.33%, by and large all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. At present, BCH fundamentally in every practical sense is up by 0.01% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,732,397,702 United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for 22 October 2023. Inside and in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span for the most part made sense of underneath, sort of additional appearance, how XRP, we utilize essentially lovely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of fundamentally normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of fundamentally normal, EMA, too in every practical sense. Break down the future development of the Bitcoin money. So Bitcoin money actually for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, which in every practical sense explicitly is very huge amazingly. While BCH's Williams %R marker especially fundamentally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, sort of lovely sign sort of is by and large conceivable at this reach. Showing how Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially really are significant specialized pointers used to recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The reasonably kind of relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense especially is at 25, or so they in a real sense explicitly thought amazingly. The MACD line entirely the most part is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that Bitcoin money support and opposition levels, and so on in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin money financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change